Wexford town there is a place called Ballyvogan, and in that place there live two maids called Paul and Nancy Hogan. With me, tur-I, follow little A, tur-I, follow little A-row. Now Nancy bought a little pig, and she hired Paul to mind it, and just like any other little pig, it carried its tail behind it. With me, tur-I, follow little A, tur-I, follow little A-row. Now Paul, she bought another one, and isn't it a wonder that in a week you wouldn't know these two little pigs asunder. With me, tur-I, follow little A, tur-I, follow little A-row. Two cousins walking by the road, and the two little pigs were feeding, pulled out their knives, cut off their tails, and sent them home all bleeding. With me, tur-I, follow little A, tur-I, follow little A-row. Now Nancy went to court of law before the judge and jury, and Paul steps up before the bench for to read out her story, saying, if your honour was a pig, which I hope you'll never be, sir, if a blackguard came, cut off your tail, wouldn't you roar and bawl and squeal, sir? With me, tur-I, follow little A, tur-I, follow little A-row. The magistrate stood up and said, their rumps will soon be mending, and pigs will snore and fatten more without their tails attending. With me, tur-I, follow little A, tur-I, follow little A-row. These two old maidens, Paul and Nan, lived in life quite airy, and there wasn't a word ever spoke, but every word contrary. With me, tur-I, follow little A, tur-I, follow little A-row. Now Nancy died on a Saturday night, and Paul, she died on Sunday. They waked the two on Sunday night and buried them both on Monday. With me, tur-I, follow little A, tur-I, follow little A-row. Tur-I, follow little A, tur-I, follow little A.